Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about some very important opportunities related to airdrops. If you're ready, let's get started. There are people who have won tens of thousands of dollars in airdrop rewards using just one wallet. Projects like Arbitrum, Celestia, Starknet, and many others have distributed significant amounts of airdrop rewards. So, what's next? We want to make big gains from future airdrop rewards, but many people don't know exactly what they need to do to win airdrop rewards. I'll show you what you need to do. This video could be very useful for you. On this screen, you see the zkcodex website. After entering this site and connecting your wallet, you can see all the transactions you've made with your wallet here. To see everything about your wallet, all you need to do is make a transaction worth $4 to mint an NFT. After doing this, you can see all the statistics of your wallet. After minting the NFT, type your wallet address into the search bar and press the scan button. Now you're ready to see all the statistics of your wallet. In the section above, there are networks. I want to show you my data on the Linea network. I'm currently on the Linea network, and in this section, I can see how long my wallet has been active in terms of months, weeks, and days. Just below, I can see the ranking of my wallet on the Linea network. I'm in the 33% bracket, and I need to improve my ranking a bit. It shows how much volume I've traded, how many different transactions I have, and how many NFTs I own. Further down, it shows which identity verification platforms Linea has passed. As I scroll down further, based on this data, it shows my estimated airdrop earnings. For example, according to Arbitrum, my score is 4 out of 14. According to Starknet, I can't win a reward. Celestia is the same. But I'm eligible for rewards according to Optimism. Below that, there are the NFTs and tokens I own. In the protocol section, all the platforms I can use on the Linea network are shown. You can see how much you've used each platform here. So, what will all these statistics do for us? Please pay attention. Many of the networks mentioned above don't have any tokens yet. They may release their own tokens soon. When they release their own tokens, they will look at the statistics of the wallets to select the wallets to distribute airdrop rewards to. If you know what transactions are missing from your wallet, you can take your next step accordingly. For example, the reason I'm not accepted by Starknet is that I don't have enough Ethereum in my wallet and my active account time is not enough. Let's look at Linea for example. Linea will issue its own token. When issuing the token, it will send airdrop rewards to thousands of wallets. The wallets to which it will send airdrop rewards will be those that use Linea's testnet, transact on the Linea network, have a good Linea ranking, and complete Linea Park tasks. By the way, Linea Park is still active, and after proving you're human on this site, you can still do Linea Park tasks via the Layer 3 site. Apart from Linea, for example, the zkSync network, Base network, Scroll network, Eigenlayer network, Blast network. These are networks that can distribute rewards. I've already explained Eigenlayer in the previous video. In your Metamask wallet, you can keep your active day count high by making a transaction every day on any network you want. You don't need to make too many transactions in a row. Any free NFT you can get in zkcodex will be added to your statistics. By doing all these transactions, you can increase your ranking and prepare for airdrop rewards. In addition to all of this, I have one last surprise for you. When you transact with your wallet, you have the chance to receive airdrop rewards from each of the platforms you use. By transacting on these platforms, you will not only increase the ranking of your wallet in the network, but you will also earn points by transacting on these platforms. As I said before, airdrop rewards are not guaranteed, and no project is obliged to send you rewards for the transactions you've made. I'm not giving you investment advice, and I'm not guaranteeing anything for any platform. Do your own research and make your own decision. I hope that in the coming months, we can win airdrop rewards from these networks and projects. Good luck to everyone. See you in the next video.